2013 brought expansion and growth to America by way of public transportation. This past year, citizens overwhelmingly showed their support for public transit by voting yes on more than 70% of proposed ballot measures across 8 different states. And as the industry hails in a new year, CEO and President of the American Public Transportation Association, Michael Melaniphy, anticipates a busy and productive future. In his annual State of the Industry message, Melaniphy said legislative matters will be at the forefront.
APTA will continue to convey the industry's perspective to Congress and take a firm and focused stance on the interests and critical needs of our members.
Priorities that Melaniphy has set out for 2014 include calling on the federal government to authorize a new bill as MAP 21 ends in September, and seeking a return to a healthier commuter tax benefit. Despite there being an increase in ridership for 9 out of the last 11 quarters, Congress decided to limit the commuter tax benefit, a decision that Melaniphy says needs to be reversed.
There needs to be a balanced federal tax policy that treats different modes of travel equitably. Invite your local, state, and federal government officials to your systems and businesses. Show them, don't just tell them, how our industry creates well-paying jobs and builds flourishing communities. Doing so is instrumental in helping our elected officials understand that public transportation matters not just to the present, but also in the future.
And in the very near future, the industry will experience new innovative developments. In 2014, streetcar projects will be unveiled in Washington, D.C., Kansas City, Los Angeles, Minnesota, Dallas, Cincinnati, and Seattle. Commuter rail stations will open in Massachusetts, Denver, and Dallas. Bus rapid transit service is coming to Grand Rapids, Michigan, Austin, Texas, and San Diego, California, among other cities. Additionally, electric buses have been ordered for Los Angeles and Long Beach, with other cities following suit. This year will also be one of technological advancements. One of the most exciting is the expansion of the near-field communication technology in mobile devices.
This kind of technology is an added incentive to use mobile phones at gated transit systems. We'll be able to tap our phones at the gate just like we tap our transit cards today.
More and more, Melaniphy says, citizens are looking to public transit to quickly, safely, and affordably reach their destination.
That's why in 2014, APTA will amplify its efforts in Washington and throughout the industry to ensure public transportation stays high on the list of priorities for governments and citizens.
The complete State of the Industry message can be found in 2014's first issue of Passenger Transport, or on APTA's website at www.apta.com/SOTI.